So in this video, I'm going to talk about AntBot position. Now, if you see your future position, right now, my future position is almost 20%. So what happens if it goes to the set amount of your position? Let's say I set 20%. So the bot will not open position, guys. The bot will not cover if it already hit close to that 20%. Okay, so what the bot will do, you can see here, the bot will have this kind of exception. So the bot will wait, okay? The bot will wait. They will not cover. It will take profit for other coins until your balance here. You can see your balance until your margin balance growing, okay? If your margin balance growing, automatically your future position will decrease, okay? If your balance is growing, it means your future position will decrease, okay? It's up to you. So for my case, you can see here, my risk is around 4. Basically, you want to keep it below 5%. You know, it's up to you. You can top up more money if you want to. You know, the reason why my future position almost hit 20% is because I play with a lot of coins, guys. Look at it. I play with 14 coins, okay? Because this is a pair, so it will become 28. You can see there 28. I basically play with 14 coins. My funds are only 2,200. You can see available funds, or 2,500. So 14 coin is around 3,000, 2,800 to 3,000, right? So I can manual top up the funds. I can add more funds here. I can go to my spot. You can see my spot have $700 here. I can just transfer it. So I can transfer from spot to futures. I will select USDT. Okay. And I will top up 500 in there. So you can see now I have transferred the funds to my future wallet. Now you can see my wallet has grown. Now so far I have added $2,000, guys. At the end of this month, I will withdraw half of my profit. I will show you later. At the end of this month, I will withdraw half of the profits. So I invested 2,000. Now I have 3,000. So I already profited $1,000, guys. I will show you the history. Let me show you all my transfer. Select the date. Let me show you from January. You can see I just now transfer 500. And if you see BNB, I just transfer BNB for the fees, because if you use a BNB, you can save 10% on trading fees. I've transferred 500 here. You can see the date, 400, 500. So it's around 2,000, guys. Nice $2,000 total. So total, I have added $2,000 in my future wallet, guys. Okay, $2,000 I've made $1,000 profit. If you see the floating, the total unrealized P&L, okay, those are your margin, guys. The one that are floating, you can just wait the market reverse, okay, and then you will take the profit, okay. As time goes by, you will see your profit, unrealized P&L will goes up and down, okay. It's up to you when you're gonna exit the market. Already told you, if you want to exit the market, change your settings from cycle to single, guys. If you want to exit the market, modify all your coin from cycle to single, okay, here, if you want to exit the market. But I'm not gonna exit the market. So once I top up my money, you will see my positions. Look at it. It has gone down, right? From 19, it has gone down to 17. So I hope this helped you. If you see your position is max already, it reached, you can either wait or you can top out the money. It's up to you.